The Annamaya contains half of the Pranamaya. See, the Annamaya Kosha is a physical layer, the seventh chakra. The Pranic, Pranamaya Kosha. And the mental body and subtle body is Manomaya Kosha. Causal body and cosmic body is Vijnanamaya Kosha. Nirvanic Sarira is Anandamaya Kosha. There is no watertight compartment. Instead of dividing by 100 by 7, 100 by 5. This whole thing is 100%. You understand? If you put by 7, 14% is each Sarira. If you put 5, 20% is each Kosha. One day in an unseason, I asked, maybe late in the evening, I want mango. That fellow sent somebody, and then Saranagata, another, this Brahmachari, both of them went to Bangalore. Next day morning, whole night they searched, and next day morning they came with mango. I said, why did you guys take this trouble? If it's not there in the shop, come back. Why did you guys spend the whole night? They said, no. When you asked, it is already there. We only have to find out. That's all. When you asked, it's already there. You are a Satya Sankalpa. You can't ask without sending it. So only we have to show our devotion by searching it. It's a beautiful experience. Understand? That lightness of the being which you carry is living enlightenment. You understand what you are describing? See, I wanted to tell you one more thing about living enlightenment. Just carry a light being. Don't be too heavy. Just carry a light being. Be flexible for everything. Just be light. That is living enlightenment. That itself will sort out, I can say 90% of the things which is taking you away from the enlightenment. Just carry a light being. Always be light. Learn how to make fun of everything, including yourself. I can make fun of this whole show I am doing. Actually. This whole thing I can make fun. See, it's not that it's not sacred for me. What I am doing is so sacred for me. It is so sacred. It is my life. But I can make fun of the whole thing. I can make fun of everything. Say, Arunachala is the most sacred thing for me. I can make even fun of it. I can make fun of that. I have no problem. So carry that light being. Say, this banyan tree is so sacred for me. And this Anandeshwara. Every day I go and fall at the feet. I bow down. But I can make fun of it. I have no problem. Carrying that light being is living enlightenment. Carry a light being. Not disrespecting. Understand? If I say, when I say I can make fun, I don't mean to say I can disrespect it. No. Such a light being I carry. There is no heaviness. There is no heaviness. You always associate sanctity and sacredness with heaviness. No. Very simple technique. Please understand. All I am trying to do in these 2 days is somehow to give you a strong experience of unclutching. See, strong experience of unclutching is one glimpse of Nirvikalpa. Nirvikalpa. Then you will be able to stay in Savikalpa or Samprajnata, the next level samadhis, permanently. Strong, very strong experience of Nirvikalpa. All now you need to do not think you are breathing. Let your awareness be on breathing. If you are thinking, I am inhaling and exhaling, why are you connecting with the last time what was happening through your nose? Why are you connecting that with now and labeling it as breathing? All of you understand what I am saying? So whatever is happening, let it happen. If it is going in, don't even name that as a going in. If it is coming out, don't even name that as a coming out. If it is staying in, don't even name that as a staying in. But your whole awareness should be only on the prana movements. Only on breathing movements. All of you are aware? Your whole thing should be only on breathing movements. Without naming it. Any word comes out, you are supposed to unclutch. All of you understand? Any word comes out, unclutch. But awareness should be on the breathing. Even if you have just feeling, even the feeling, there will be a mild word feeling. Unclutch from that. Subtle. It is like taking the unclutch to the next level. Now you don't need to freeze your body. Small movements or anything is okay. But the whole awareness should be centered on the breathing movement. Anywhere you feel the air movement happening.
Okay.
For some people it's a lungs, for some people it's a belly, for some people it's a nose. Wherever the air is touching you or the air movement is happening in you, your awareness should be only on that. Don't bother about body. You can now let go of the body. If body moves, it's okay.